Swapan Nair's Introduction to Supply Chain Management provides a comprehensive overview of SCM principles and practices, emphasizing real-world applications and efficiency. Supply Chain Management, SCM, integrates and coordinates complex activities to deliver finished products efficiently, enhancing overall productivity and customer satisfaction. Enhancing efficiency in SCM involves strategies like just-in-time (GT) inventory systems and process automation, as exemplified by Toyota's streamlined operations. Customer satisfaction improves through reliable delivery systems and feedback integration, as demonstrated by Amazon's robust logistics network and customer-centric approach. Reducing costs in SCM can be achieved through bulk purchasing and efficient transportation management, with Walmart's advanced logistics system serving as a prime example. Increasing supply chain flexibility is crucial for adapting to market changes, with Zara's agile manufacturing processes enabling quick responses to fashion trends. Ensuring quality control across the supply chain involves stringent supplier management and in-process quality checks, as seen in Apple's rigorous standards and audits. Enhancing collaboration and communication among supply chain partners improves efficiency, with P&G's use of CPFR systems exemplifying successful data and forecast sharing. Effective risk management in SCM includes regular risk assessments and contingency planning, as demonstrated by Cisco's comprehensive risk mitigation framework. Incorporating sustainability into SCM reduces ecological impact, with Unilever's focus on sustainable sourcing and carbon footprint reduction setting a strong example. Continuous improvement and innovation in SCM involve adopting new technologies and methodologies, as shown by GE's use of Six Sigma for process refinement and efficiency gains. Planning in SCM encompasses demand forecasting and inventory management, aligning production schedules and procurement activities to meet customer demands efficiently. Inventory management minimizes holding costs while ensuring sufficient stock, employing methods like JIT and EOQ to balance inventory levels with customer demand. Production planning ensures timely manufacturing of goods, optimizing resources and minimizing costs through tools like MPS, MRP, and capacity planning. Sourcing in SCM involves selecting reliable suppliers and streamlining procurement processes to ensure the timely acquisition of quality raw materials and components. Supplier relationship management fosters strong, collaborative partnerships, improving supplier performance and innovation through regular communication and performance monitoring. Manufacturing in SCM transforms raw materials into finished products through efficient production scheduling and rigorous quality control measures, ensuring high standards. Facility management in SCM maintains manufacturing infrastructure, ensuring efficient production and compliance with regulations through preventive maintenance and energy management. Efficient delivery and logistics in SCM manage product flow from production to end customer, leveraging OMS and TMS for optimized transportation and timely deliveries. Warehousing supports SCM by storing materials and finished goods, utilizing WMS and automation for improved efficiency and inventory management.